Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm M.Kashif. Today I'm going to teach the second chapter of O level computer science 2210 code. The chapter name is data transmission. So, the first question that comes to in our mind, what is meant by data transmission? So, here I have a device. This device can be PC, app, or cell phone, and here another device that name is PC2 or device 2 or any tab or any cell phone. So we have set the connection between two devices. There is a wireless connection. It means both two devices are connected to each other. So when two devices are connected to each other, it means they can exchange their data. So it means what is mean by data transmission? Data transmission means transfer. It means we are going to exchange the data between two devices in this way. If we are going to exchange or share the data between two devices, this is called data transmission. Obviously, it is clear from the chapter heading data mean collection of raw facts and figures, and transmission mean transfer or exchange. So, the next question that comes to in our mind, how the data will be transferred between these two devices if we have set an internet connection between these two devices. So here in PC1, I have a image or a text file or video file that I'm going to share it with this PC number 2. So when we have a connection, then I'm going to send the data from this device to that device. My data that is in the form of video or text or image, it will be broken down into small part. Each part is called data packet. So here is a small part of data. I'm going to draw it. So my whole file is broken down into small pieces of data. Each small piece of data is called data packet. Now the data packet are moving from this device mean PC1 to PC2. It means data transmission occur between two devices in the form of packet. So this packet is going from this device to this device by this route, and this packet is moving from this route. Because we have a wireless connection, so there might be multiple routes from one device to another device for the transferring of data. So what is a data packet? The data that is sent over long distance is broken up into data packets. Data packets also called datagram. So why it is broken? The next question that is come to in our mind, why is it broken down? So why? The answer is for the easier transferring of data. So it is easier to control compared to a long continuous stream of data. Okay, now we are going to study the packet in detail. Each packet is sent toward the same destination through the different route. Route mean the path through which data packet is moving from one device to another device. One issue of splitting data into packet is resampling of data. So what is the main issue? If the one data packet is transferring from this route, if another packet is transferring from this route, so how we can assemble these packets into a file when they reach to a destination device? This is a big question. So it means in detail, the data packet consists of three main things. One is header, second is payload, and the third one is trail. These three are the part of data packet. It means this data packet has three things. One is header, second is payload, and third one is trailer. So what is meant by header? Header contain two things. One is destination address. Destination address define where this packet is going. And the second one is packet number. When we divide a file, an image file, text file, or video file into small unit of data, these small unit of data obviously called data packet. So this data packet have different packet number. Let's suppose this one is packet 1 and this one is packet 2. When they will reach to a destination, so we will reassemble them by using these packet number. So we will rearrange them. If some packet, let's suppose packet 2 come first on the destination and the packet 2 come late, it means we can again reassemble by using the packet number so that the arrangement of data packet could not be disturbed, so the file could not be disturbed. The second thing is the data packet. And the third thing that the packet header contain is the sender or originator address. It means header has three things. One is packet number, second is receiver address, third one is sender address. And next, the packet header contain the payload. What is a payload? Payload is the actual data that we are going to share from one PC to another PC. Third one is a trailer. Trailer define two things. One is it indicate the end of packet so that the destination device could understood that all packets have received, so they are needed to assemble into a file. And the second thing that trailer define is the error checking method, that is obviously called CRC, means cyclic redundancy checks. So there are also so many other methods that ensure that there is no error occur during the data transmission. Other are like parity check, ARQ method, check digit, etc. So next, what are the benefits of using data packet for the data transmission? And what are the drawbacks? Remove the need of tie up a signal communication line. What is meant by single communication line? Sorry, this one is single, not signal. So this is a PC1 or your device 1, and this one is a device 2. If there is wired connection, it means this between two devices, it means data has only one dedicated path. If there is a wire connection, so we have removed this wire connection. It means there is a wireless connection. Wireless connection means data will convert it into data packets, and packet will move from different route. So, first benefit, it remove the need to tie up a single communication line. Second benefit, rerouting to overcome the field or busy routes is easy to do. And the third one, easy to expand the package usage. And the fourth one allows the possibility of high data transmission. So these are for the benefits of using data packet. And what are the drawbacks? Packet can be lost. There raise might some kind of issues between the data transmission. Might be packet can be lost because if you are sending a packet from this PC to another PC, might be there is the packet if there is so much long distance between two devices, then the packet or signal need to be amplified. If we don't amplify, it means the signal will lost. It means packet will lost. Second one, error can occur during real-time streaming. Real-time mean live streaming. The third one is delay at the destination during the rearranging. Because data is completely divided into data packets, it means when the packet reached to the destination, they need to reassemble using the packet number. So this also requires some time. So we have finally discussed all the things related to data packet. Data transmission that we have already discussed. Three factors that are considered for the communication protocol for the transmission of data are. So what is meant by communication protocol? Communication means exchange of data and protocol mean rules. So there are three factors. One is direction of data transmission. Second one is method of data transmission. Direction means if there is a device P1, PC1 and PC2, it means this is unidirectional or bidirectional. So that is meant by direction of data transmission. The second one, method of data transmission. A method of data transmission means the source and destination devices have, if they have serial transmission, it means they have only one path between these two devices. There was a one cable, there was a one line between two pieces. It means there was a serial transmission. And there can also be parallel transmission between two devices. It means there are multiple lines between two devices. So next we will discuss this thing in detail. And the third factor is data synchronization. Okay, synchronization, yeah. The second point is asynchronization. Synchronization means data should be synchronized. It means the stream consists of many bits. The data will be moved in the form of bits. It means data will move between two devices, block of bits. Asynchronization means data will be moved bit by bit. They will not consist of multiple bits. The data will not be in a block. So the first thing is direction. There are three main points related to direction. Simplex, half duplex or full duplex. Simplex means data is transferring between these two devices. One-way communication. One-way communication data can transfer from one side to another, but data will not come back to this device. The famous example of simplex data transmission is your home TV and remote. You can send the signal from your remote to your television. The television will never send back signal to your remote. The half duplex data transmission mean data will be sent from destination to source and data also be resent from source to destination. It means they have two direction, but not on the same time. Famous example of half duplex is the walkie-talkie wireless set. The data can be moved from one device to another and second device to first device, but not on the same time. And your browsing is also one of the example of half duplex. When you are going to browse something on your web, you are going to write the web address. It means you are going to send your data or your request to a server. When the server will receive, the server will respond to you, but both things will not going to happen on the same time. Full duplex means data will send or receive on the same time. A famous example is your telephone call. Okay, hopefully you have understood all the things related to data transmission and data packet. So if you have a query, you can ask in the end of this lecture. You can write your comments. So I will respond to you soon, inshallah. Thank you. Thank you very much.